Ever dreamed of a laser cutter could be your ultimate woodworking sidekick? You know all those laser brands brag about mind-blowing wood cutting depths, 50mm, 80mm. Wow, that sounds incredible. But what they don't tell you is what kind of wood all depths work on. It's all smoke and mirrors, right? Well, hold on to your hats because today we are busting those laser cutting myths wide open and we are grabbing our trusty xTool, a 40 watts blue dial laser powerhouse, and we are diving deep into a bunch of different woods to see exactly what this bad boy can really handle. Hey, so firstly we're gonna try out the Basswood, which is the most frequently used wood type. Can this one really slice through a whooping 18mm of it, just like xTool claims in the commercial? Let's find out. We're gonna match the distance between your laser module and your wood. Just click here. And next, we're gonna marking the location. Okay, so we start marking. And we choose the line. Let's find the starting point first. Just move your laser module to the left and push the button on the machine. And let's find out the ending point. Push the laser module to the right and push the button one more time. And that's it. We click end marking and done. And this is the area we want to laser cut. Okay, so we're gonna insert a line and just make sure it's a tiny bit longer than the distance you just measured. And that's it. And let's hit easy set panel. Oh, we're gonna choose laser cut first. And we're gonna make the power to the most. We're gonna make the speed to the lowest. Then we can try our best to cut through the wood. And we're gonna choose lower the focus because we wanna cut as deep as we want. We're gonna choose 6, maximum is 6mm. And next we're gonna adjust air assist. Just click setting and go to working info and make sure the cut is full, the maximum. And other parameters you don't have to change anything. That's it. Safety first. Always check the wood's burning point before you get started. Holy smokes guys, xTool absolutely crushed the 18mm basswood just like they promised, but let me measure one more time. You see, it's real 18mm thickness. And next, we're gonna test all of them from walnut to balsa, like 7 types of wood, and see how deep they can cut through. Maybe from 18 to 40mm. Let's see how that goes. Different types of woods have varying densities, which affect the laser cutting process. The softer woods are more like butter, easier to be cut, whereas the denser ones are more like wild wood. It's almost 20mm deep. Yeah, so this is already the deepest cut we ever had today so far, but we don't recommend you to cut through this deep on balsa wood. As you can see, it's badly burned, okay? So for the safety issues, try another type of wood. And today, only one type of wood left to be tested out, which is the pine wood. Let's see how deep we can go, but I guess it's gonna be deeper than 20mm, as the density is bigger. Wow, it's very clean, isn't it? Let's see how deep we went. Yeah, it's almost 30mm deep, guys. We are reaching to another level. This is pine wood, but the reason why we can cut so deep is because there's special ingredient inside. It's called rosin. So the rosin gonna help the laser cut deeper, even though the density is quite high here. So, but we actually have another way. Maybe we can go deeper than 30mm. Let me show you on software. Okay, remember when we click easy set panel, we lower the focus by 6, right? But this time, you know what? We're gonna manually increase them to 10, which means we increase 7. And 7 is the maximum, because more than 7, your laser module gonna touch the wood. You don't want that to happen, okay? It's almost 40mm, the thickness. Let's just break it. Wow, you see? I didn't make any effort, it's already break down. Wow! So today we've cut through from 12 millimeters to 14 millimeters. It really depends on what kind of type of wood we need to cut. So you know what they say, trust but verify. It's always wise to question what they claim it is. So please let me know in the comment below what else you want me to put to the test with laser machines. Bye for now.